rather than talking about the options of expanding the court or having some sort of action that might slow down the legislative process, which they feel like plays into Trump's hands politically. They are really focusing on the fact that if a nomination is allowed to go forward and if the court becomes 6-3 in favor of conservative opinions, that could really threaten some major cases that are pending, including the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare. And if that were to be struck down, then millions of people that are able to get health insurance now through exchanges or healthy, large subsidy programs or other means would essentially lose their health care. People that have pre-existing conditions, that are required to be covered by law currently because of the ACA would also potentially lose their health care.
She's going to come to our house later. She's going to go home to rest, okay?
Whatever happened to her?
Oh my God.
And so they're trying to basically mobilize folks that, might have been apathetic about voting or might not have been totally in love with Biden as a candidate, and say, look, you really need to vote for Biden and vote for your Democratic Senate candidates because, they need to try and stop this sort of the court becoming even more conservative to protect the Affordable Care Act. With 6 weeks to go before the election, early voting is already underway in a lot of states, including in Virginia, where I am now. I'm not sure that any issue really is going to make a humongous swing. I think a lot of people have already sort of made up their mind, but it could very well affect turnout, and the election is going to come down to turnout in some states that are particularly very close. Biden has traditionally been an institutionalist. He's somebody who was in the Senate for a very long time. He believes in Senate institutions, and he believes that the Senate should sort of function in a way that can really kind of transcend politics. I mean, that kind of sounds sort of silly and naive in today's climate, but that's how he, really built his career, was a person that really felt like the Senate would endure regardless of the party in power. He also, to that end, has never been a supporter of expanding the court or packing the court, as they say, even though a lot of the top Democrats that ran in the primary were, including his running mate, Kamala Harris, Senator Harris from California, talked about being willing to expand the court if need be.
Yeah. He was serving a peace corps, and then he said, "Oh, I have a great idea."